Somos Mexicanos.
This message was transmitted at the request of the California State Department. Local authorities have issued a contagious disease warning. Do not view any videos that may include
random gibberish, things that don't make sense, weird imagery.
If you have children, keep them away from social media, as they may become compromised before it is too late. If you encounter your children saying random nonsense, it is advised that you should not make contact with them, otherwise you will be compromised. More updates will soon follow.
We are 26.
26.